So I picked this up at my local Goodwill for only $3. And it's a Lenoxx Sound, and I don't remember the model number. Probably, I'll just look on the back. Well, there's your manufacturing date, 2000. No, it's upside down. It's model CD-102. 102 to be precise, because if I say O, they might think of the letter O. So 102. And yeah. Unfortunately, the CD player does not work, and it came actually it came with this when I bought it. Kids Bop 10. Motherfucking faggot ass music. Anyway, it will not read it. Damn thing's a bit dirty. So, whatever, this CD doesn't, I don't even want one of those, oh my god, I don't even want to listen to this anyway, so screw it. Alright, so I gotta figure out the CD player. So here's the radio, sounds fine, sounds alright. Where's the volume?
With the latest broadband solutions for your business, we are winter at Shorty's. Stop defrosting, boiling, frying.
And for the tape, I don't know if it even works. I haven't tried it. Let's see if it even spins. It does. Doesn't seem like it's very strong, so I think the belt is a little worn out. Maybe that is the motor. Crap. Let's see if I can find a cassette tape. Alright. Let's see what we got. Yeah. I had a feeling that was going to happen. Yep. Not strong enough. Let's push lever on the pause. Gotta replace the belt. The main belt is a little bit stretched. It doesn't provide enough tension. So gotta fix that. So that's that. And then I got this. A radioshack walkman. It's a recorder as well. It's CTR-112. I think it's got a built-in speaker, so let's try this. One hand always sucks balls when I try to do things. It had batteries in it when I bought it, and it looked like it spun, so let's take a look. Yep, the volume's a little too loud though. I don't want to friggin' crackle the speaker. So other than that, it does play. So I'm assuming the recording does fine just as well. Good. So the Walkman works just fine. I've only paid $1 for that. So, yep. So there we go. Goodwill purchases for today. All right, later.